Okay, ladies and gents, it is time for the main event. Composite cones, aka stratovolcanoes. These volcanoes are large and steep-sided. They're probably what you think of when you see a volcano. Okay, Ella, let mommy do this. Silly Ella. Okay. You are going to find your stratovolcanoes at subduction zones. So if you remember your plate tectonics, you know that happens when there is a convergent boundary and there's a piece of oceanic crust involved. Because the oceanic crust is heavier and denser, it will go under, it will subduct under a continental piece of continental crust, or if there's two pieces of oceanic crust, the older one will subduct under. So if you have a subduction zone where you have lithosphere returning to the mantle a little bit farther inward, where you could see here on the oceanic, or here on the oceanic continental, a little bit away from that trench, you'll find either a chain of volcanoes on the land or a chain of volcanic islands, and they will be stratovolcanoes. Eruption style, explosive. Explosive. They're explosive. You might hear the term Plinian eruption when you do reading about a volcano in the future. And what are our products? There's a reason that one of the names for this is composite cone, because it is built up from a composite of different materials. You're going to have your lava, you're going to have your ash, you're going to have your cinders, you're going to have your bombs, you're going to have pyroclastic flows, so please be careful. You're going to have landslides and lahars. If your parents give you permission, because it's PG-13, and I don't think it's streaming for free anywhere, but sometimes in class we'll watch the movie Dante's Peak. It's a pretty good Hollywood representation of a stratovolcano, a fictional one in the Cascades in Washington State, going kaboom. And in 1980, we did have a composite cone stratovolcano in the United States erupt explosively. It was the most destructive U.S. eruption on the books, the eruption of Mount St. Helens in 1980. We actually just, I wouldn't say celebrated, but commemorated the 40th anniversary of that eruption. And I'm going to show you a couple of video clips here so you can see what really went on here. I mean, it was explosive. We had a more viscous magma with a lot of trapped gas, and when there was enough pressure, it blew the side off the mountain. So without further ado, Mount St. Helens.